This is a digital SAT math question. This is on practice test 6, question 17, math module 2. Therefore, don't watch this video. I'm giving you a warning if you still haven't worked practice test 6, because it'll blow practice test 6 from you, because you'll already have seen one of the answers, and that's not good to do. So it says a rectangle is inscribed in a circle. Well, I'm going to draw this. I was going to try to do shapes, but here's a circle. Inscribed means it touches only on the edges. You know, these vertices of the rectangle touch the circle. Lines come to the diagonal of the rectangle, and that's I always recommend draw these things. You get paper, draw it. The diagonal of the rectangle is twice the length of the shortest side. This is 2x, and I'm calling this x. Well, you might remember that in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the ratio of the sides are x, 2x, and x square roots 3. So this is x square root of 3. Sometimes I like to say x square roots 3. Then it says the area of the rectangle is 1089 square root of 3. Well, so that means if I multiply the length, x square root of 3 times x, it has to equal 1089 square root of 3. And so I can figure out what x is and then multiply it by 2 to find the diameter of the circle, which is the diagonal of the rectangle. And that's the key to here, is knowing the 30, 60, 90 triangle and the ratio of sides. So I'm just going to bring up Desmos, and I'm going to put x times x square root 3 equals 1089 square root 3, and then it should give you my answer. There it is. It shows it 33. So I'll put here 2x. Will that work? No, that won't work. I'll just have to put 2 times 33, and obviously the answer is 66. So I just used Desmos like a calculator on this one, but the answer is 66. And the key to this is knowing what transcribed or inscribed means, and it lies on the circumference. That means on the edges of the circle. And then knowing a 30, 60, 90 right triangle.